Apex 40 in the mail today, and I actually shipped it to the wrong house, so there's not going to be much paper to it, but I'll be unboxing it. Got this, ordered it from Black Diamond Sports. And I also asked them for a free Black Diamond Sports t-shirt. Gave me that too. And some Bones Red stickers. And another one. And some Black Diamond Sports stickers. Now for the board. We got the Apex 40 double concave. It's 40 inches long, 9.5 inches wide. It's also got a micro drop and some pretty good kicks at the end too. And I got the orangatang baluts, 72.5 millimeter 83A with some Bear 852 trucks. So, that's it. Pretty good board. Like, comment, and subscribe.